Sindhu of class first PC Science.
I am Bhagya of first PC Science
We are from EMRS Raichur and prepare the geometric part
and measurement part.
First I will explain the geometric part. Here one pond, inside this pond math sign like plus, minus, divide, multiplication, equal, greater than, smaller, and here we have the types of quadrilaterals, diamond, square, rectangle, trapezium, and definitions of circle, tangent, arc, radius, chord, and here one colorful slide. Here definitions of line segment, ray, parallel line, and here types of circle, segment, diameter, arc, radius, chord, and here one swing for represent the triangles like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and one big tree is there for represent the trigonometric formulas.
Now measurement part. First we have here one scale useful for measurement, and we have road. On this road milestones to represent kilometer, meter, centimeter. We have here four weighments to represent gram, kilogram. We have four different liquid quantities like 100 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml, 1000 ml equal to 1 liter, and also we have one balance machine. Last we have three different types of tree to represent gram, liter, meter. Thank you.